two aspects of the project I'd just like to take a moment and point out. As viewers may have come to appreciate, there were originally 8 fireplaces in the Urban Ranch when it was built in 1913. Of those 8, 3 of them were able to preserve. The others, due to wall space and things like that, are actually being covered over. And here's an example of one of those. So we're in the master bath. There will be a vanity with double sinks, mirror with the TV in the mirror, cabinets and that. And you can see this, one of the original fireplaces, so that's being covered over. But one thing we had to do here, you can see Chuck and the guys, this is just kind of a template sitting in here, but this will then be glued and screwed down to the floor below to accommodate for what used to be tile work here in front of that fireplace. Now that tile we have saved, and we intend to salvage and potentially reuse it in a different aspect of the project. But in order to keep the floor level, this is what the guys have had to do for that. Also, as viewers may have come to know, is Chuck is a huge fan of mock-ups. We enjoy the mock-ups as well. Really help to communicate different aspects of the project. And we're going to show you one here in the master shower today. This being, there will be a glass door that will lead you into the shower. And as you can see, Chuck always wants to make sure that things are done appropriately. And you can see here, he even has a question mark for us. Is this correct? So this is a water valve for one of the shower heads that'll go here in the master shower. There will be 2 other shower heads on these 2 walls, but this will be a wand, if you will. And if you turn around onto this other wall, there will be 2 shower valves here. Location of these are very specific. We want to be able to have the opportunity so that if you open the door to the shower, if I were standing in the bathroom and want to get in the shower in the morning, this door will open, I can reach in, turn the shower on, let the water get nice and warm, even though we will have a recirculating pump so that the water should get hot pretty quick, but as we all know, it's not instantaneous. And so I'll let that water get hot, maybe finish brushing my teeth, then get in the shower to a hot shower. And I won't have to have then reached into the shower, turn that nozzle on and whatnot. So just kind of further planning that Crystal and I have preferred. This will be the on-off for my shower and then the on-off for hers. So some of Chuck's mock-ups that we've come to dearly love about Chuck. And as we always say, I'm with Chuck. So thanks again for watching Urban Ranch version 2.0. More to come.